English literature. Some objective type questions and answers on the age of Chaucer. Prepared by Mr. Kanishka Kumar Das, MPhil in English, B.Ed, PGDCA, COVID, and graduation in music. Chaucer belongs to dash country. Answer: England. The age of Chaucer was essentially an age of unrest and death. Answer: transition. We usually regard the discoveries of Columbus as marking the beginning of days in history, the modern era. The process of transition dates back to the second half of the dash century. Answer: 14th. Wycliffe and his followers were making an organized attack upon dash. Answer: the church. The working classes were stirring and had begun to display a spirit of dash. Answer: independence. A period of economic discontent is followed by an open revolt that marks the downfall of the dash system. Answer: manorial. Political events were contributing to the growth of a national consciousness by minimizing the extent of dash influence in England. Answer: papal. Military events were contributing to the growth of a national consciousness by stimulating the pride of the dash. Answer: English people. Dash was the great contemporary of Chaucer, who deserves more attention as the first Englishman to challenge the authority of the Catholic Church. Answer: John Wycliffe. To know more, please subscribe, share, and like it. Thank you very much.